Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up font book and Adobe fonts for brand consistency, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up font book and Adobe fonts for brand consistency, start by opening font book on your Mac. You can find it in your applications folder or by using Spotlight to search for font book. Once font book is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left side, you'll see a list of font collections and individual fonts installed on your system. To add fonts, go to the File menu at the top. Select Add Fonts from the drop-down options. In the window that appears, navigate to the folder where your downloaded fonts are stored. Select the fonts you wish to add and click Open. Your new fonts will now appear in Fontbook. Next, let's set up Adobe fonts for your brand. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Fonts website. Sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, browse or search for fonts that align with your brand identity. When you find a font you like, click on it to view more details. You can customize your selection by choosing styles, weights, and character sets. Once satisfied, click on Activate Font. Adobe will now activate the selected fonts for your use in Adobe applications. To use Adobe fonts, open any Adobe application like Photoshop or Illustrator. Go to the Font menu to see your activated Adobe fonts listed. You're now ready to start designing with both Fontbook and Adobe fonts. Consider creating a style guide for consistency across all your brand materials. Make sure to document your chosen fonts, including sizes and weights. This guide will help maintain brand consistency in your designs. Regularly review and update your fonts as your brand evolves. Now you are all set with Fontbook and Adobe fonts for your branding needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.